we are at NGMEC 2025 and we are showcasing the technology for tomorrow. If you see our punchline, our mission is propelling technology and prospering life. So in this ever-changing business landscape, we need to stay relevant. We are all aware of the dynamic business situation, and this is where Jyoti comes in with the technology for tomorrow. Precision, productivity, and performance. These three P's form the cornerstone of Jyoti's product basket. And when we talk about tomorrow, we need to ensure how we are future-proofing our customers to stay competitive, to be able to increase and grow their business. In line with the Prime Minister's vision of Viksit Bharat, by 2047, manufacturing is going to play a very important role. And when we talk of manufacturing, machine tool industry becomes the mother of the manufacturing industry. And that is where Jyoti steps in to give the customers the latest technology, high precision, high speed machines to be able to be competitive and serve the customers. This is with reference to in line with Jyoti's Viksit Bharat and we moving to a 5 trillion economy and so on and so forth. Growing at 8% GDP growth, manufacturing has to grow from 18% to 25%. So seeing this bigger picture, we at Jyoti are aligning ourselves with this mission of Viksit Bharat and ensuring that our customers profit, be competitive, and ensure that they are part of this Viksit Bharat mission and be there to serve the country.